This video explains what mains replacement involves and what you can expect during the work. You may have already heard from us about upgrading the gas pipes in your area by letter with a handy leaflet, during a visit from our customer liaison officer, or through SMS updates if you've signed up. Every street has a gas main beneath it, with smaller pipes supplying each home. Some older metal pipes now need replacing, so Cadent is upgrading them with new, longer-lasting plastic pipes to keep gas flowing safely now and in the future. To do this, engineers may need to dig small holes in the road, footpath, or in your property to access the pipes. This may mean temporary footpath or road closures and traffic management, which are all put in place to keep the public and our teams safe. Depending on how much pipe needs replacing, we may be working on your street for a few weeks and in the wider community for a little longer. During the work, your gas supply will need to be temporarily turned off so the pipes can be replaced safely. You'll be notified in advance by our team, either in person or through a leaflet posted through your letterbox with details of the exact dates. This usually happens first thing in the morning. An adult will need to be at home during the day, as our engineers may need access to your property more than once. In some cases, the gas supply may need to be turned off on 2 separate days, and occasionally the gas meter may need to be moved to an outside wall. If this is required, it will always be discussed with you beforehand. Once the work is complete, different engineers will visit each property to check appliances and to safely turn the gas back on. Even if you don't see them straight away, teams will continue working into the evening to make sure everyone is reconnected as soon as it's safe. After that, any holes that were dug will be filled in and the area restored, whether that's turf, paving, or tarmac. This is done in stages across a few days, leaving everything tidy once the work is finished. While this work can cause some temporary disruption, it's essential for maintaining a safe and reliable gas network for your home and your community.